Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of PostHog and Google Analytics for 2025. Today, we'll uncover which tool best suits your analytics needs. Let's dive into the core features of both platforms, evaluating their unique offerings and capabilities. User experience is critical. Let's discuss how intuitive and user-friendly each platform is. In today's world, data privacy is essential. How do PostHog and Google Analytics handle your data? Integrations can enhance functionality. We'll evaluate how well each tool integrates with other platforms. Customization is key for personalizing your analytics. Let's look at what each platform offers. Cost is always on the mind. We'll analyze what you get for your investment with both platforms. How do each of these platforms measure and report on performance metrics? Let's take a closer look. As we look to 2025, what trends can we expect from PostHog and Google Analytics? Let's speculate. To conclude, we've compared PostHog and Google Analytics on several fronts. Which tool will best serve your analytics needs? The choice is yours.